Hello everyone, my name is Taylor and today I will be teaching you all how to make slime. So what you're going to need for this is a bowl, glue, you can use any type of glue, shaving cream so it's fluffy, and then some lotion so it's soft and stretchy. And then you can use paint or food coloring. Today I'm going to be using food coloring. And then to make it slime, you will need some borax, but you can also use contact solution or any other type of laundry detergent. So first, what you're going to do is put a bottle of glue into your bowl. And you can use ever much glue you want. I'm going to use 2 bottles of glue. And then you're going to put your lotion in there. Oh. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and now I will be putting some lotion in there. And then you put a bunch of shaving cream, and it can be the gel or already fluffy. And then you're just going to give that a mix. I'll be back once this is mixed. Okay, once you have everything mixed, you're then going to put in your coloring of choice and use about 2 drops to 3 drops. And then you're going to give that a mix. So I'll be back once this is mixed. So once you have everything mixed, it should look like this. And then for the fun part, you're going to get your borax and you're going to heat up water and then put the borax in it so it dissolves, and then you're just going to add some of this to it. And then when you mix it, it should start forming together to making slime. And then you're just going to keep adding your borax until you get the consistency that you like. Once your slime starts to form, you're then going to knead it with your hands so it can start actually forming. And then I'll be back once the slime, you're just going to keep doing this until, and if you need to add more borax to it or your slime formation of choice, you can. So I'll be back. Now after you have repeated that process, you should then have your slime, and then you can play with it. And also, the more that you add shaving cream or like lotion to it, the fluffier and stretchier it will be. So I hope everyone enjoys this video, and everyone should go make them some stretchy, fluffy slime. Here's a short clip of everything that you will need.